Hey guys, it's Arushi and I'm finally back with a video. Now I'm super excited for this video because it's my first ever collaboration video with my very good friend here on YouTube. Her name is Aanchal and she has a little something to say to you guys.
Hi guys, I'm Aanchal and I have a March favorites video up on my channel too, so please be sure to check that out once you're done watching Arushi's video. She will leave the link to it down in the description box. But I really hope that you like my video and that you will subscribe to my channel. Bye!
So that was Aanchal and I personally love her videos and I love the way she edits her videos and I personally love her channel. I would want all of you guys to go check her channel out. I'll put the links in the description box below, so make sure that you go ahead and check her video out after you're done with my video. Now let's just get started with my March favorites. If you don't know what favorites videos are, they're basically videos in which I talk about the things that I've been obsessed with and I've been really liking through the month, which probably will help you buy more products in the next month. And yeah, that's about it. So without further ado, let's just get started. Right, so I have a lot of favorites this month and I've been obsessing over a lot of things this month and I'm so super excited to share with you guys what I've been obsessed with. So let's just get started with the first thing that I've been obsessed with the most. It is this book by Conor Franta. So this is a book by Conor Franta. It is a work in progress and this is the best book I've ever read. I am not a reading person, I hate reading, but this is the book that I've been reading since a month. I've been reading this over and over again and this is the only book after The Fault in Our Stars which I actually genuinely liked. And this has to be my March favorite. It is really nice. You can get it off Amazon or Flipkart. And yeah, this was one of the best things that happened to me this month. Favorite is actually a nail polish by Revlon. It's this really pretty pink color by Revlon. It's in the shade 501 Sexy Lady and it's a very pretty pink color. This goes with both Indian and Western outfits. It looks bomb with Indian outfits and you should totally check this out. It's an amazing thing and I think it was just for like 200 something. It was a really nice shade. Again is a lip color. This one is a nude color by Color Essence. I'll put a swatch and a close up. This is one of my favorites because this is not glossy, neither is it matte. It's a really pretty color, I think, near my lip shade, and it does not really look very bold or anything, but it's a very pretty nude color and I've been loving nudes this month. The next favorite is something that not a lot of people talk about. It's this eyeliner by Lakme. This is a very affordable eyeliner. It retails just for 99 or 100 rupees. And for people who are looking for affordable makeup, this is one of the best eyeliners you'll come across because this is water resistant and it does not really come off very easily. So it's a very nice eyeliner. And you should totally buy this if you're looking for some cheap eyeliner, not exactly cheap but good quality and low price affordable eyeliner. This is one of the best eyeliners you'll come across. Favorite is this eye pencil by Revlon. This is this eyeliner pencil by Revlon and it retails for 175 or 200 something and it's an amazing pencil. I find it to be better than Colossal Kajal or Iconic Kajal. I have used all three of them and this one is the best. This does not smudge very easily. This lasts really long and it has a really intense look to it and I love the pencil. I love this Kajal, and if you guys are like regular Kajal users, this is the thing that you should buy instead of Colossal Kajal. Now the next favorite is this pair of earrings that my mommy bought for me from Fab India and I've been loving these throughout the month. I went to 3 Indian events and I wore the same earrings to all the 3 events, because I've been loving these pair of earrings. Talking about earrings, the next thing that I've been loving are these pair of earrings by my sister and she made these for me. I actually saw them at Claire's and then my sister said that she can make these for me, so I was super happy. She made these for me and these are really pretty. These are pizza earrings and I love pizza and I would of course want pizza on my ears, like pizza. On from the beauty products, I have this thing which I've been loving. So I bought a cover recently from the site called Cover It Up, and this is how the cover looks. It says meow and has a cat in it because I love cats, and it is off-white and it looks exactly what they showed on the site. And it's an amazing site if you guys are looking for phone covers. They almost have all the available brands in the market, and you will get all of them. They, I think, also have Motorola and stuff like that. So they have a lot of unusual covers, and they have covers which has friends on it. So moving on to my music favorites, I have 4 favorite songs throughout the month. The first song is Work by Rihanna, and I'm sure that all of you guys have heard the song because it's been trending, it's been the top song, and I've been loving it because of the beat. I mean, like, it is an amazing song. The second song is Desert, but I don't remember the artist, but Desert. I'll put the link in the description box if I find it. And it's an amazing song, it has a really fast beat and I really love it. The other 2 songs are Hindi songs. The first song is Agar Tum Saath Ho, which is from the movie Tamasha, and it is a beautiful song and I've been loving it. I listen to it all the time. And the last song is Soch, which is a Punjabi song by Hardy Sandhu. I don't really remember the artist's name, but it is an amazing and it is a very slow and really nice song that I've been loving. And yeah, that was all for my music favorites. That was it for my favorites video. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you're here from Anchal's channel, I would love for you guys to go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. And yeah, I think that's all I had to say. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.